Today we're going to be fixing a random screw that has been rattling and annoying me for quite some time now. There's what's been rattling. Yes! And now, the mysterious rattle is gone. So there are only screws here and in the four corners. There aren't screws in any of these holes. Or these. I don't know where all of them went, but they're all gone. So those four holes don't screw them. So I'm just realizing now that the screw that we found inside the computer was meant to go on the outside, and then I actually screwed that back in. So there were four screws on the corner and then one in the middle. So that means that since one of the screws included in those was the one I pulled out, that means before I pulled that thing out that was rattling, that screw, there were only four total screws holding the computer together. One in the middle and one in only three of the corners. Not all four corners had a screw in them. One was from the corner, somehow got inside of the computer, and that was what I pulled out. I have no idea how it got in there. I'm actually noticing now, as I was clipping the hinges back together, I actually stopped all the screen wobble,